Hi guys, welcome back to Caramia's Corner. Join me today for something a little different. I am unboxing this Urban Inch kit that I got from Amazon. I'm super excited. I've tried the small cross-stitch kits in the past, but I'm really leaning towards something more with yarn related crafting. So let's have a look and see what this kit comes with. And it has 4 of these yarn balls that are coordinated with the pattern that it comes with. We have our frame and our ring. We have the fabric that we need to use and the needle. And I love the fact that it has 4 different settings, and we have the threader, and it looks like there's 2 included with that, so that should be good. And we have an instruction little booklet here that shows us how to do it. They also had a video on their Amazon link, so I will probably reference to that. And here is what we will be working on today. So this is the end product, and here are the color codes for our yarn colors. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out and put that and trace it. So let's try this out. Alright, so now I have traced the pattern from our paper, and what you need to do is make sure you have some backlight against your frame here so that way you can trace the image. So there it is. I kind of messed up here, but I know that's going to be covered with yarn in a little bit. Now let's take a look at our threader. So it comes with 2, and this is our needle. So I'm just following what they are showing on their video. So let's see here. We're starting with the green thread, and I'm just going to put it through here. Okay. We're going to pull that out, and then we are going to put our threaders through here. Okay, so I think, yes, so that's how we do it. Just leave a little bit there, and then I have to lock this guy on letter C, and we are going to start right over here. So let me set up. It's kind of hard to film standing up like this. Here's an update on how far I've gone. It was much easier to do it off camera. It's a little hard to see where you're poking the needle when you have the tripod set up right here. So this is what I've done so far. So far so good and pretty fun and easy. Now I'm going to be working with these elements here. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I have my flowers completed. Added some of the grass details here just to show you what the back looks like. We have a lot of texture over there. This side is a little more flat, and then I did a reverse stitch to give this more texture. So now I'm going to be working on the outline in here with our blue. So we are here now. I'm filling out the blue in our frame, and I am almost done. So let me see if I can do this on camera. Here's another look at my first completed punch needle project. Really enjoyed it, definitely recommend it for beginners. Had to turn off the camera. I was having a hard time seeing where I was punching and kind of lost track of the fabric, so it was kind of jumping all around and I was missing some areas, but for the most part it was super fun. I think the more practice I have, I think I'll have a better even finish on the surface where it's a little flat, but I don't mind the texture. Love the spring theme. Excited to hang this in our craft room, and I love that they provided more than enough yarn. Towards the end, I was a little worried that I wouldn't have enough of this color, but we still have extra. Also like the fact that I included 2 of these, and the needle was pretty cool and awesome to use. So that's my little unboxing of this punch needle kit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.